If you've ever wanted those clean and cinematic smoke turned into mesh shots in Blender, well, there's one really simple way to do that. It's called the volume to mesh node, and it's how I make this sort of really interesting mesh come to life in my lightsaber animation and my Sage and Salt perfume spot. So in this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most repeatable way to do it so you can make these interesting graphics yourself. If you want to follow along, I have a link down below. You can grab the entire project file or you can use your own assets. So I'm going to go ahead and do this interesting fireball shot, and that's going to be the example that we run with here. It looks interesting on its own, but it's obviously a lot more convincing with something physically reacting to it. And for that, I'm using Rokoko, and it's like this really interesting hand motion. And honestly, I was super shocked with the actual fidelity that came out because I didn't choreograph anything. I took a ton of attempts, and I can show you there was no plan at all. But Rokoko still captured it, and it made it super believable. All the hand motion that matches the awful performance that I had, it looks great. If you don't have Rokoko, you can use Mixamo or any other animations. The point is to give the effect something to actually interact with. Once you've got the character, though, you can bring it into Blender. Depending on if you need to transfer the motion capture data or not, you just put it on a character. You can use Rokoko's own add-on for that as well. But if you already have your character or whatever you're going to use, you can just throw that straight into Embergen. Embergen is also super easy and really nice to use. It works really well for this, but Blender also has a smoke simulator if you want to go that route. I also have some free smoke sims down in the link, again, just to make this easier. It's super simple. Once you have all that together, you just throw it straight into Blender and try to line things up to make it make sense. And then once you're there, go ahead and add geometry nodes to the volume, and you're only going to add one node, and that's volume to mesh. And it's really simple from there. So that's pretty much it. But you can actually shade and put materials on the smoke sim now, so it makes it look really cool. And anything, you can put metal, glass, whatever matches the shot, and it's perfect for whatever you're trying to do. For the lightsaber, I actually used mesh pointiness, and that gave it this sort of really interesting outline for the gold versus the glass, and I thought that was really nice. It just makes it look more organic and creates just this stronger effect that there's actually something going on inside of it. And for this animation, I was trying to make it feel like the kyber crystal was activated or alive, basically. Then for this Sage and Salt ad, I actually just added a few more things to the volume to mesh node, like delete geometry. And it was really easy to combine with the bottle model to make it sort of transition into the product that was already being deleted as well, and it created a really nice effect where it seemed like the smoke was actually forming the bottle itself. So the whole system is pretty simple once you get a handle on it, and there are a ton of different ways that you could get creative with this, but it's really nice because it's just one node that you can throw onto any volume and make something really cool. Again, if you want this exact node setup, I have the Fireball one linked down below, and it's free to use. Check it out, and let me know in the comments if you want me to go over anything else or if you have any other questions. This was a quick one. I just wanted to showcase how you can make something cool with just a single node. So, thanks for watching.